Sirajuddin sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, madam.
Sir, I had given the YouTube live streaming to your WhatsApp and I made you host also, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Dear participants, welcome to this 6 days national level online workshop on SPSS and data analysis. Dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college or institute name, city name, etc. I repeat, dear participants, kindly introduce yourself
Sir,
through
good
chat
evening,
box.
sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir. So, dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college or institute name, city name, etc. Speaker sir, kindly share the slide one of your PPT, please.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, sir. So sharp at 7:35, we will start the session, sir. Professor Nagarajan, sir. Sharp at 7:35, we will start the session.
Sure, sir.
speaker, sir, Professor Nagraj, sir. Dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college or institute name, city name, etc. I repeat, dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college or institute name, city name, etc. Sharp at 7:35 p.m. We'll start the session.
ஏய் தேங்காய் குடாண்டி அவனுக்கு
யாருக்கு ஐயோ மறந்துட்டேன் உச்சி இருங்கடா எல்லாரும் எல்லா பக்கம் வந்துருங்க
Dear participants, kindly mute your mic, please. Yeah, Professor Nagarajan sir. Professor Nagarajan sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sir, say a few lines about previous sessions and kindly go ahead with today's session, please.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. We have a few minutes,
Thank you.
sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Very much audible.
Okay. Whether my screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Thank you so much. So, from my side, all of you cordially invited for the day 4 of the workshop. Sir, I think someone has been shared, sir. I think someone has been shared their screen. Am I audible? Whether my screen is visible?
No, sir. Not now. Sir, actually, I'm the host. So, I think, yeah.
Whether now is it
Yes.
visible, sir?
Now visible, sir. Just make it in presentable mode, sir.
Okay.
Enlarge
Today we are.
the slide. Kindly enlarge the slide.
I hope now is it visible to you.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. So, dear participants, yesterday we are seeing the frequency test and we are checking the normality, and also we are discussing one-way ANOVA and the one sample t test, etc. to you. Okay. On today's session, we are going to discuss about the two-way ANOVA, chi-square test, correlation, partial correlation, Spearman correlation, then Gormers V. Okay, those are the tests we are going to discuss about today. Say, so yesterday we are seeing some tests with the SPSS data set. With the same data set, we are also going to see the screened tests. Okay. Okay. See, I hope the screen is visible and also my voice is audible to you. Okay. Once again, I cordially invited every one of you, and we're going to start my session soon. Okay. So before going to start the session, we have to memorize some rules, such as called as the p-value is greater than 0.05. The null hypothesis can accepted, which means there is no significant difference between any two variables. The another one is the p-value, the significant value is less than 0.05. The null hypothesis will be rejected, which means there is a significant relationship among the variables. If any of you have any doubt on this rule, shall I go ahead? Shall I go ahead? Or you have any doubt? So, dear participants, if you have any doubt, kindly unmute yourself and you can ask with me. Okay? Anyway, go ahead. See. What will be the first test on today? The first test will be the two-way ANOVA. Okay. For the two-way ANOVA, you require one dependent variable and two independent variable. One dependent variable and independent variable. So, before going to the two-way ANOVA, I want to explain about the dependent and independent variable. Can anyone explain what is the dependent and what will be the independent? Can anyone? Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Thank you. Thank you so much. See, now we are discussing the dependent and independent variable. Dependent variable means we will start with one example to you. Okay. A man wants to increase his savings. Then what he will do? A man wants to increase his savings. He wants to increase his bank balance. Then what he is going to do? Can anyone answer for this question? Anyone can answer? a man want to increase his salary, sorry, increase his bank savings, then what he will do? What will be the option for him? What will be the option?
Expenses should be reduced.
Very good. Your first factor will be the expenses should be reduced. Please note all the participants answer. Thank you, sir. Expenses should be reduced. What will be the another? What will be the other factors? Factor one, expenses should be reduced. Then another factors. See, if you want to increase your bank balance, surely you should it will be directly increasing your salary also. Am I right? Am I right? Your salary will also be increasing. Okay. I hope it will be understandable to you. So what I have to be done here. See, I want to say one thing. There is a relationship between savings and income. Am I right? There is a relationship between savings and income. How is it possible? See, if you increase your savings, surely your salary will also be increasing. Okay. If you increasing your salary, your bank balance also increase automatically with the control variable of reducing expenses. Okay. Here, reducing expenses will be act as a controllable variables. Okay. Anyway, I hope now you may understand between the dependent and the independent. So here the given example, the salary and the savings. Okay, there will here I take two variables, salary and income. Then here what will be the dependent variable? What will be the independent variable in the given example? Whether salary is a dependent or independent.
Salary is independent, whereas savings is depend upon the salary.
Super, sir. Very good. Super, sir. See, here the SAR has clearly noted that, I clearly said that, see, salary is the independent variable. Okay, salary is the independent variable, whereas savings is a dependent variable. Okay, savings and also called as a bank balance. Okay, your bank balance is only depend upon your salary. Okay, so like that, we are going to do some test on here today. Okay, the first test will be the two-way ANOVA, followed by we are going to see chi-square. Okay, anyway, now we will work with the two-way ANOVA. Okay, all right. I will go to the data set. Please write. So whether the data set is visible to you? Whether the data set is visible to you? Is it visible to
No,
all
sir.
of you? Now?
No, sir.
Yes.
Now it is visible.
Yes, now it is visible.
Visible. Thank you so much to you. Thank you so much to every one of you. See, it is the data set. And also I want to display the questionnaire for this data set. Okay. If you understand the questionnaire, then only you are able to understand everything. See, this way. Production to SPSS. So whether the PDF is visible to you? Whether the PDF is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So it is the questionnaire for the given study. So here the questionnaire, the title of the study is Factors Affecting the Stress. Okay, stress management topic. So here the researcher want to find out the stress reason on this question framed by 5-point scale. Okay, with the help of 5-point scale, we are going to frame the questionnaire on here. See, the first one will be the organizational reason. The second one will be the personal reason. See, the third one will be the technical reason. The third one will be the technological reason. The fourth one will be the impact. Okay, there will be a 4 reasons. Three reason: technological, personal reason, organizational reason. Okay, under the each reason, the researcher has contributed some variables to you. The researcher has contributed some variables to you. Okay, it will be shown on here. So, I will work with the data set. So, the entire questionnaire is enter on here. So, the first one will be the two-way ANOVA. The first one will be the two-way ANOVA. Say that, go to analyze. Go to analyze. So, please note that the normality has been also checked on yesterday. Okay. The normality value has been checked on yesterday, so that I have moved with the parametric test. Okay, one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, chi-square, independent sample test. Okay, those are all the things are called as a parametric test. Okay, if your time is available, I will surely explain to you non-parametric test. Okay, so please note that now I go to explain with the parametric test. See, what you will do, the first step is go, before going to apply the parametric test, you need to check the normality. You need to check the normality for the variables. Yesterday, I have checked it and demonstrated to you, so that now I directly go to the parametric test, such as one of the parametric tests is two-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA has performed on yesterday. On yesterday class, we see the one-way ANOVA. Today, we are going to see the two-way ANOVA. So go to compare means, go to univariate, general linear model. Go to analyze. In a general linear model, select univariate option. Select the univariate option. I request you to transfer the dependent variable. I request you to transfer the dependent variable. See, here the dependent variable is the, what will be the hypothesis? Please note the hypothesis. There is no significant difference between age, gender, and occupational stress. It is not the occupational stress. Organizational reason that cause the occupational stress. The organizational reason that cause for the organizational stress. Okay, anyway, the same one here, organizational reason. So can anyone can say which one will be the dependent and which one will be the independent? Do you understand the hypothesis? Please understand the hypothesis. The first one will be the null hypothesis. There is no significant difference between gender and the organizational reason that causes for the occupational stress. Alternate hypothesis is there is a significant difference between age, gender, and the organizational reason that causing the hypothesis, that causing the organizational stress. Okay, what will be the dependent and what will be the independent variable? Anyone can say the answer for it. So before going to do the test, I want to club all the together. I want to join together all the variables and convert it as a single one. I want to convert it as a single one. First one is a heavy workload. Another one is the higher management, say pressure. Another one is the organizational policies, long working hours, inadequate resources. Those are all the variables given for here. So I will go to directly the analysis. Before going to analysis, I have to transform the variables. Say heavy workload is coded as the OS1, O1. Then I join another variable, work pressure. and press plus on here. The organizational policies transfer and plus the plus one here. Long working hours. Here I transfer and press the plus on here. And I transfer also the here. Okay, I want to name a new variable that is called as the organizational reason. Organizational reason. So click OK. The new variable has been formed. The new variable has formed. It will appear in the data and the variable view. Go to the data and the variable view. So go to the variable view. Go to the variable view. So we can look at the organizational reasons. I want to label as OR. I want to shortly label as OR, that is called as organizational reason. I want to given the value for each option. The first one will be the strongly disagree. Second one will be the disagree. Third one will be the neutral. Fourth one will be the agree. Fifth one will be the strongly agree. Would you understand? So given variable is scale. The variable is scale and measurement of the variable is scale. Okay, now I want to perform the test. So which one will be the dependent and which one will be the independent variables? Go to general linear model, go to the univariate. Go to the univariate. Can anyone can explain?
Age and gender is an independent variable and
Okay.
organization reason is an independent variable, sir.
Super, very good, super. So here, organizational is a dependent variable. Organizational reasons are here act as a dependent variable because it only the causes for the stress. Because it only make the stress. So the stresses depend upon the age of the respondent and a working experience. Okay, age and I go to transfer age as well as year of experience. Okay, age and year of experience. Then go to the plot, transfer the age on here, transfer the experience on here. Then add, you have to be click the add and click the age and experience combined, click continue. Go to postcard. Here also you need to transfer all the variables on here and click the turkey test, click continue and go to the option. You are asked to transfer all the variables on here and click the homogeneity test. Homogeneity test helps to analyze the given more interpretation. Click continue and click OK. And click OK. Okay. So this table is not needed. Okay. We need one of the tests here. Here you need here. So Levens test of equality of error variance. So here the variables, the significant variable should be nearer than 0.9. Which means 90% of the data are suitable for analysis. Okay, 90% of the respondents are the data is most accurate. 79% of the respondents are called as a most accurate one. So that further you can go to the further analysis. So where will be the result on here? See, the result is available on two-way ANOVA table. So please wait. Okay. The interpretation will be taken on the basis of this table. The interpretation will be taken on the basis of this table. So where I have to be, how do I write the interpretation? Just copy. I just press copy and I will go to paste in a Word file. I will go to paste in a Word file. Go to open. Go to open and click Control V. So please wait, the Word file is opening. So here I just press the Control V. So I have to be write the interpretation between, I will take the two variables. I will take two variables. So please note that, say, here the significant variables for the age is the, say, 0.427. 0.427. 0.427, which is greater than, which is greater than 0.05, which means which is greater than, say, 5%. Okay. So what will be the rule on here? What will be the rule on here?
Hypothesis is accepted, sir.
Yes, the p-value is greater than 0.05. Null hypothesis can accepted. The null hypothesis can accepted, so that here the for age the null hypothesis can be accepted. Null hypothesis accepted because null hypothesis accepted because of the value is greater than 0.05. The final interpretation is there is no significant difference between age and the organizational reason that causing the stress. Okay. So here we have interrupted organizational reasons not affecting the age. Okay. The final output is organizational reasons are not creating the stress among the workers, not creating the stress on the basis of their age. Okay. So another one is the experience. Another one is the experience. Here the p-value is 0.228. 0.228. It also greater than 0.05. So here also null hypothesis accepted. Here also the null hypothesis accepted. So there is no significant difference between, I think, year of experience and the organizational reason that causing the stress. Okay, that causing the stress. So it is the final interpretation. We can also find out the combined result of both age and experience. Okay, when we combine the both age and experience, here also the significant value is greater than 0.05, so that the final interpretation is age and year of experience, not make any, it's not the reason for the occupational stress within the factor of organizational reason. Okay, the organizational reason does not significant with the age and the year of experience. Are you clear? Are you clear? So now I will go with I will take another table. So please look at the table. Age below 25 years, the mean value is 15.384. So the highest mean is 46 to 55 years. The highest mean is 46 to 55 years. Suppose the result will be, suppose the result will be significant. Sometimes there will be a significant difference between age and occupational stress. Here, the output, we can take this table and write the output as, see, 46 and 55 years group of people have a large number of mean, have a large value of mean. So that 18.222, 18.2. So that it is like that, it is so that 46 to 55 years of people are have more number of stress. Suppose the value will be significant. Okay. But unfortunately, here it's not a significant. So that here it is noted that 46 to 55 years of people are not significant. It means they are not facing any kind of stress. They are not facing any kind of stress. Okay. Comparing to other three types of groups. So that please look at the year of experience. Here the mean value is 16.3. Here the mean value is 16.3. Among those mean value, the less than year one experience or have more number, 16.333. Okay, so it indicate that less than 1 year or people are not facing the stress compared with the other groups. Okay, while we are comparing with the age and year of experience, so below 25 years. Okay, it also be like a same one. So we can also take with the homogeneous subset. Okay, please look at the chart on here. Please look at the chart. Say the yellow color show the 15 years, green color show the 1 to 5 years, violet color show the 11 to 15 years of experience. The same chart will be also available for the year of experience also. Okay, it indicates that more than 15 years of people are have large number of mean, so that it indicates that more than 50 years of people are not affected by the organizational reason. They are not affected by the organizational reason and also not the reason for the stress reason. Okay. It is the final interpretation because of the larger value above 18.3 something. It is the mean value. Depend upon the mean value, the graph has been drawn on here. Like that, the age group, like that, the age. Where will be the another chart? Okay, age chart is given in below. Okay, so age and working experience. So both of the same are indicated on here. So look at that. See, nearly 42, above 46 to 55 years. It's combined on here. It's parallel with the year of experience. Okay, so it indicates that the more number of years or the more age group or have more number of year experience, so that it indicates that highest number of, it means highest number of experienced people are not having any kind of stress. It is the final output. Suppose our value will be significant. Suppose our hypothesis will be significant. It will be interpreted that more than 15 years or group of people are having a more number of stress. Okay, that is the output on here. Okay, are you clear about that? Are you clear about two-way ANOVA? Once again, I repeat to you. So here we are testing the, we are run the test in SPSS with some option. After putting some command, here some tables are arrived. Okay, for two-way ANOVA, I advise you to take the desktop between subject effect. You are asked to take this table and please go to the significant value that is parallel with the age group. Okay, take the significant value parallel to the experience. Take the significant value parallel to the both age and experience are combined. Okay. Okay, anyway, see, Here the mean value also replicated on here. Depend upon the mean value, we can write the interpretation. Depend upon the whether the null hypothesis are rejected or accepted. Okay, depend upon the hypothesis result, the mean value will be interpreted for both age and experience. Okay, it also simply shown on the here this diagram. Okay, the mean value diagram is drawn on here. This diagram will clearly explain all the things to you. Are you understand? Shall I move with the?
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, and in the interpretation, we have taken the significance level as 0.427, right, sir, in age.
Please wait, ma'am. I will go to the table. Please wait. I will go to the table. Yeah. The significant variable is the 0.427.
Right, in age. But in experience, you have taken 0.228. Why, sir?
Please wait. 0.228. Okay. 0.922. Okay. Thank you. I take the F variable. Sorry. 0.922. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Any more doubt on this test? If you have any doubts, kindly unmute on the same time and ask the question. If you want to ask anything on last time, surely you are not able to follow my steps. Okay. Anyway, I hope it will be understandable to you. Please post in the chat box whether it is understandable to you. Whether it's understandable to you. Shall I go with ahead? Another test. Thank you, Subhashri. See, another one is the chi-square. Another one is the chi-square. Okay. So, in the chi-square, you are asked to take write the interpretation as there is no association between gender and stress reasons. You are asked to write the chi-square. The word is there is no association. Okay. Before that, you are see that there is no significant. But here you are asked to write the interpretation as no association. No association between the gender and stress. See, here there is one rule for chi-square. Okay, there is a rule for one chi-square. That is, you have to take two nominal value. The chi-square is applied for two nominal value. Here the two-way ANOVA, I had taken the working experience and the gender. Okay, here working experience is called as ordinal. At the same time, gender is also be a nominal. Okay, one value is nominal, another value is ordinal. The dependent variable is scaling. But in chi-square, you are asked to take both nominal or ordinal value. Okay. Okay, now I will do the test. Go to the chi-square. Please wait. Okay. I will do that. Go to analyze. Go to analyze. Go to descriptive statistics. Go to crosstabs. Go to analyze. Go to descriptive statistics. Go to crosstabs. I have to be transfer the gender under the primary stress reason. Primary source of stress reason in a column. I had take two nominal value. It will be displayed on the questions for you. So please look at the question. Please look at the question. So here the question is, one is gender, that is a nominal. Another one is the primary sources of stress. Another question is primary sources of stress. For that, here it's a question. I have to be it is a nominal scale. Because of here I define, here I have provided some stress questions to you. Okay. Anyway, I will run with the gender and primary sources of occupational stress. Okay. Now I will work with this table. Go to analyze. Go to analyze. Compare the descriptives and select the cross tabs. In the descriptives, you are asked to select cross tabs. Here, the box is open for you. On the top one, you have to be transfer the gender, and below you are asked to transfer the primary source of stress. And go to the statistics and click chi-square. Go to the statistics, click chi-square. Please click pi and Cormor's V. So here I mentioned the Cormor's view. Here I mentioned the Cormor's V. The Cormor's V is applicable on chi-square. I will tell when you have to be apply the pi and Cormor's V. Okay. Click continue. Click continue. Go to the cell. I need a percentage value. Both percentage for row and column. So that click continue. Click continue. Go to the format. Okay. Click continue. Okay. Please note that here the cross table is available on here. Have you seen the cross table? Have you seen the cross table?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to see that? Okay, please note that. Please note that gender. The gender is available on the column. Here, the reason are available on the row. The reason are available on the row. Please. Hello. Are you have any doubt? So please note that the male have in a male, 14 number of people are feel stress due to the workload pressure. In a male, 5 people are feel stress due to the customer handling. Okay, in a male, 8 number of people were feel stress due to the strict deadline. Like that, all the variables are interpreted on here. Here it is the percentage, which means in a male, 33% of the people have faced a stress due to workload pressure. In a male, 12% are feel stress due to customer handling. Okay, like that, we have to be interpret all the things on here. Like that, female, 11 female members were feel the stress due to the workload pressure. 5 people were feel the stress due to the customer handling. 3 people are feel the stress due to the strict deadline. So that is the final interpretation on here. Okay. That is the final interpretation. Now I want to check the value with the chi-square. So in a chi-square, the Pearson chi-square value is 0.725. A Pearson chi-square value is 0.725. Okay, 0.725. What will be the 0.725? See, I want to just copy the table. Just copy. And please put it on the Word. Please put it on the Word. The P value is 0.725. Please note the P value 0.725. It's greater than 0.05. That is greater than the 5%. So that the null hypothesis accepted. Null hypothesis accepted. So that the final interpretation is there is no significant difference between age and primary sources of stress. Sorry, gender and primary sources of gender into the primary sources of stress. Are you able to understand? There is no significant difference. There is no association. Sorry. The word is called as the no association. Okay. It is the interpretation. Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So that I will go to the next one. Do you have any doubts, sir? Shall I move to the next one? See, I will explain the commerce when I forget, sorry. See, please note that here the value is more significant. Okay, above greater than 0.05. Suppose here the value is 0.05, then you can go to the result for pi under commerce V. You can take anyone. You can take anyone. Okay, here we have a equal result. Here we have a equal result 0.725. Suppose your option is not, sorry, suppose you are here, the value will be below 0.05. You can also directly take an interpretation with also here. Okay. Here the same way value has been arrived. Okay. That will we need not to interpret the commerce B. We need not to interpret commerce B because of the there is no significant difference between there is no association between the gender and the primary sources of stress. Okay. Then here I have done what I have done. Two-way ANOVA has been finished. Okay. Two-way ANOVA demonstrated. Chi-square just now only completed. Now commerce we also have been explained to you. Now we will go to the correlation, partial correlation and the Spearman correlation. Both correlations are different one. Okay, I will explain when we will apply the correlation. I will explain to you when we will apply the correlation. Now I go to do the correlation. Now I go to the correlation. So go to analyze. Go to analyze. Go to bivariate. Go to analyze. Go to the general linear model. Go to okay. Okay, go to analyze and select the correlate and go to bivariate. Go to analyze, go to correlate, go to bivariate. Okay. So go to analyze and go to bivariate, go to correlate. Now I will transfer all the variables to the right side. So I want to transfer the variable as a so what will be the hypothesis for correlation? Please note that. So you should know the relationship. What will be the correlation? Measure the degree of connection between two or more variables. Partial correlation means analyze the relationship between two variables with a controlling variable. Spearman correlation means we need to find out the impact, whether it is positive or not. Okay. Suppose if you want to do the correlation, Pearson correlation, I request you to take the dependent value as a scale and the another independent value also be the scale. The partial value for partial correlation, dependent variable also be a scale and the independent variable also be a scale and the controlling variable also be a scale. But Spearman correlation, both variables should be in ordinal. Both variables should be in ordinal. That is the rule for the correlation. So it is the correlation level, how it is correlated with one variable with another variable. Depend upon the table value, we can interpret and take the results on here. So now I will be working with there is no relationship between, not a significant. There is no relationship between the working hours and the occupational stress. Okay, the null hypothesis is there is no relationship between working hours and the occupational stress. Okay, please note that the p-value is greater than 0.05, null hypothesis are accepted. If the value is less than 0.05, null hypothesis are rejected. Okay, so now I will take the working hours under the occupational stress. Working hours under the occupational stress. I want to change working hours as a scale. Okay. Working hours. So please note that in a questionnaire, please note that in a questionnaire, I am not asking the working experience as a, I am not asking the working experience as a scale variable. Here I will ask the frequency, which means I am not asking exact years. Okay. If you ask the exact year, which means 1 year or 2 year or 3 year, if you mention like that, it is your nominal scale. But here I mentioned as the frequency between the years. Okay. 1 to 5 years, 6 to 10 years. So that I have to be changed as a scale. Okay. Anyway, go to the data set. Now I will go to the analyze, go to correlate, take a bivariate, I will transfer which variables, working hours and occupational stress. Working hours and occupational stress, which means the last one, organizational reason. The last one is the organizational reason. Okay. So I want to calculate Pearson correlation. I want to calculate Pearson correlation. So please note that kindly ensure that whether the box has been marked one, whether it is marked or not. Go to option, mean and standard deviation. I'm not required. I just click OK. I just click OK. Please note on here. Please note on here. So the relationship between the working hours and the organizational reason. Organizational reason that causes a stress. Okay. Here, the significant variable. So please note that Pearson correlation for the, so it is like a cross check. It is like a cross check. Both the variables are indicated in both row and column. So we can take any one of the option, whether top portion or bottom portion. We can take analysis with any one of the option. Here working hours are indicated on column. Okay, working hours, in simultaneously organizational reasons are mentioned on in a row. Okay, working hours are placed on a column. Simultaneously, occupational reasons are placed on a column. So here, both comparing this one between this one, the p-value, the significant variable, the significant value is 0.001. 0.001, which is less than 0.05, which is, so I will copy the table. Just I copy the table and go to the MS Word. So please note on here. Please note on here. Okay, the working hours, the significant variable is 0.001. The significant variable is 0.001 so that it is noted that below 0.05. So whether null hypothesis are accepted or alternate hypothesis are accepted, what will be the result? Here the p-value is less than 0.05. Then what will be the resultant here? Can anyone explain?
Sir,
The p-value is the null hypothesis.
it's rejected, sir.
Super, very good. Null hypothesis rejected. Null hypothesis rejected. So the final interpretation is significant difference between occupational stress, organizational reasons, and working hours. Okay. There is a significant difference between organizational reasons and working hours. It indicates that working hours are affecting the working hours are affecting the stress reason. Okay, it is the final output. So please note the Pearson correlation variable 0.4 404. Please note this table. It will comes on here 404. It is noted that moderately correlated. It is noted that moderately correlated between two variables. Okay. I hope it will be understandable to you. Whether it is understandable to you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I will work with another table. Now I will work with another one. So the another option is on here. The correlation is over. The another one is partial correlation. Another one is the partial correlation. Here I have to take three variables. The first one is working hours. Another one is organizational reason that causing the occupational stress. Another one is the stress coping strategy. So here the hypotheses are when we are following the stress coping strategies, there will be no significant relationship between working hours and the occupational stress. Okay. If you follow the stress coping strategies, what will be the stress coping strategies? Doing physical activity, doing singing a song, and doing meditation, and openly speak with counselor, etc. Those are all the stress coping strategies. When you are following the stress coping strategies, there is no significant relationship between working hours and the occupational stress. That is the null hypothesis. Now I will be working with the partial correlation analysis. See that. Go to the analyze. Go to analyze. Go to correlate. Go to partial. Go to analyze. Go to correlate partial. So I want to join together the stress coping variables. The stress coping variables are coded as OS1, OS2, OS3, OS4. OS1 means ignoring the problem. OS2 means consulting my problem with the colleagues. OS3 means getting more information, being openness with the friends and family, better interpersonal relationship. I will take first 5 variables. Go to transform. Go to compute variables. The last one, I will take the first 5 one. I want to reset everything. So ignore the problem. Please transfer on here. Plus another one is consulting. Plus openness with your friend. Plus getting more information. Transfer. Click plus The final one is better interpersonal relationship. Okay, I will take only 5 variables. Target variable is called as a stress coping strategies. Okay, click OK. Click OK. It will appear on here and label the variable stress coping strategies. Since it is a controllable variable, one will be STA, two will be disagree, three will be neutral, four will be please wait a minute. So please wait a second, I will come back. Here I am available. I hope I will audible to. I am audible to you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please look at that. Fourth one will be coded as agree. Fifth one will be coded as strongly agree. Please mute yourself and click OK. And transfer as a scale. And transfer as a scale. So, thank you. Now I will work with the partial section. Go to analyze. Sorry, let's go to analyze. Mute yourself. Priyadarshini. Please mute yourself. So go to transform, go to analyze, go to correlate, go to partial, and partial, you are asked to transfer the dependent testing variables, which is working hours under the occupational reasons under the stress coping strategies. Under the stress coping strategies, okay, and I click OK. Are you understand? Here I transfer working hours, organizational reason under the stress coping strategy. Here, stress coping strategies is named as a controlling variable. Okay. When we inserting the control, when we comes to the controlling variable, what will be the impact on here? What will be the impact on between the two variables? And I click OK. And I click OK. See here the result is available for you. The result is available for you. Please note that stress coping strategies are comes under the controllable variables. Okay, the correlation between working hours and the the correlation between working hours and the organizational reason. The significant value is 0.01. The significant value is 0.01. So the significant value is the p value is less than 0.05. Okay. What will be the p value? 0.01. The p value is below 0. The p value is 0.01, which is below 0. The table value 0.05. So it is noted that uh, there is a here the null hypothesis are rejected. Here the null hypothesis are rejected because of the p-value is below 0.05. So that null hypothesis rejected. There is a significant relationship between the variables. There is a relationship. There is a relationship between. Are you see the WAD file? Are you see the output? Are you see the interpretation? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is noted that there is a relationship between working hours and the organizational reasons that causing the occupational stress. Okay, while we are following, while we are adapting the stress, while we are adapting the stress coping strategies. So it is indicated that here the participants are following some stress coping strategies, but there is a significant relationship between the working hours under the organizational stress. Okay, so it is noted that the stress coping strategies are not give any effect. The stress coping strategies are not reducing the stress value because of the null hypothesis are rejected. Here the value is significant. The value is significant. That is called as there is a relationship between two variables. Okay, are you able to follow this? Could you follow this? Can you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Is it understandable? Is it understandable?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I think only one participant is actively listening my lecture. Okay, anyway, I will go with another analysis that is called as the final one, Spearman rank correlation. Spearman rank correlation. So for Spearman rank correlation, we need to take both ordinal. Okay, we need to take all the ordinal or nominal variable. So in a Spearman correlation, there is no significant relationship between age, year, and experience and income. Okay, age, year of experience and income. See, it is noted that age, year does not affect the experience and the income. That is the null hypothesis. Could you understand the null hypothesis? There is the age of the respondent, year of the respondents are not affect the experience and the income. Could you understand the hypothesis? Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
I will say one more example to you. I will say one more three variables that is called as the performance. Please note that. I will make a new slide. The three variables such as performance, age, fear. Another one is reward. Okay. Another one is reward. Here, the performance is based on the stage fear. The performance is based on the stage fear. Okay. If the participant does not have a stage fear, his performance is good so that he will get a reward. So here, the influencing variable is stage fear. Here, the influencing variable is the stage fear. If the stage fear is low, there is a good performance. Like that, there will be a good reward. Suppose the stage fear is in more numbers, performance will be poor, the reward also be a poor. Okay, the stage fear influence the both variables. The stage fear influence the both variables. Like that, here I take age, year of experience, and the monthly income. Okay, when the year of experience is increasing, okay, sorry, when the age is increasing, defaultly, directly, year of experience also increase, then directly monthly income also increase. Okay, then how it will increase, how it is related with each other. Okay, whether it is, whether we have any relationship between the year of experience and the monthly income. So I will work out with them here. Go to the analysis. Okay. Go to the analyze. Go to analyze. Go to correlate. Go to correlate and go to bivariate. Go to bivariate. So that I will transfer both the ordinal value. What will be the three variable? Age, year of experience, and then age, year of experience.
Income.
Here I transfer the variable. You should mark Spearman correlation. Please omit the Pearson correlation. Please tick Spearman correlation. Click OK. Click OK. Please note the result on here. Please note the result on here. See, comparing the age with the year of experience and the monthly income. Compare the age with year of experience and the monthly income. See, you can take any one of the set. You can take any one of the set. Suppose you are going to compare year of experience with the, suppose you are going to compare year of experience with the age and the monthly income. The significant value is always be the same. Here the significant value is 0.00. Same that both significant variables are 0.00. Okay, I just press the copy and go to the copy the table in MS Word. So please note that the comparison between age and year of experience. Okay, age and year of experience. The p value is 0.00. That is below 0.05. So that null hypothesis rejected, alternate hypothesis are accepted. So that significant relationship between age and the year of experience. Okay, there is a significant relationship between age and the year of experience. While there is a significant relationship between age and the year of experience and also monthly income. When we are going to compare age with the monthly income, when we are going to compare the age with the monthly income, the p value is 0.00, that is below 0.05. There is a significant relationship between age and monthly income. Are you understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Age and the income. Okay. It is noted that whenever the age is increasing, your year of experience also increase. Whenever age will be increased, your salary also increase. That is the final output. That is the final output. Okay. Whenever the age is increased, year of experience also increase and the income also increase. That is the final output. Are you understand? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So from my side, today's session is over. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. Do you have any doubt? The participants, am I audible? If you have any doubt, please post in chat box as well as please kindly unmute and ask your doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt. Why? Whether it is clearly understandable to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here. There will be a two relation. There is one is all clear. Another relation is not understand anything. What will be, I will take. If you not understand anything, there will be no doubt. At the same time, if you are all clear, there also be a no doubt. Okay. Anyway, I will take a positive. Dear organizer, sir, are you there? Dear organizer, sir.
He's not there.
He is not there. Okay, participant, you can ask anything with me related with the SPSS. Related with the SPSS, please ask anything. Please ask anything.
Dear participants, as the speaker sir rightly said, the session is open for discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. I repeat, dear participants, the session is open for discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. Professor Nagarajan sir.
Yes, sir.
So sir, can you recap the today's entire session in a
Yes,
few
sir.
minutes of time
Yes, sir. Sure,
with
sir.
with the help of PPT?
Whether the PPT is visible, sir.
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
So on day 3, we are discussing the two-way ANOVA chi-square test followed by correlation, partial and Spearman correlation. Okay. So here the rule for everything is the p-value is greater than 0. Null hypothesis can assert that there is no significance between the variables. For ANOVA, you are asked to write the hypothesis, use the word no significance. For ANOVA, I request you to take the word as no significant. Okay. If you are going to do ANOVA, you required one dependent variable and two independent variable. You require one dependent variable and two independent variable. So depend upon the p-value of the result, I request you to take an interpretation. Then we are going to take a chi-square. We are taking the chi-square. See, in a chi-square also, you take the word as no association. I request you to take the word as no association. Okay, no association. I request you to take the word as no association. So depend upon the p-value on here. Please note that Pearson chi-square value is 0.725. It is greater than 0.05, so that null hypothesis are accepted. There is no significant difference between there is no association between the variables. So one more condition for the chi-square. When you are going to do a chi-square, please take gender and please take a nominal and ordinal value. Another, then we are seeing the correlation, Spearman correlation. It is called as a Spearman correlation. There is a relationship between two or more variables. Partial correlation means when two or more variables are affected by the controlling variables. So it is the overview for correlation analysis. Another one is correlation analysis. It is the how the variables are related with each other, whether moderately or strong or very strong. Another one is correlation analysis is there is no relationship between working hours and the occupational stress. There is no relationship between working hours and the occupational stress. Okay. So here I take the p-value, depend upon the p-value, here the result are interpreted. Another is a partial correlation. In partial correlation, we are including some controlling variable. Okay, with the help of controlling variable, you can take the result. Here the Spearman rank correlation. Okay, how the three factors are influencing with each other. That is called as the Spearman rank correlation. So that's all from today. I hope it is understandable to you. Are you able to understand?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dear participants, the session is
Yes.
still open for the discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. So, dear participants, the session is open for discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics.
Here I am available for clearing your doubts. You can ask anything.
Yeah, you can ask question from day one. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So we have still 7 minutes of time. So any doubt, any clarification, you can. The Professor Nagarajan, sir.
Yes, sir. I am available, sir.
Yeah. Sir, regarding software, SPSS software or tool, so we have to purchase or we can get from net or something.
Sir, in a website, you can download a free version, sir. But if you want to enable all the option, you need to purchase. Okay. You need to purchase all the purchase from the website. Then only they are providing a key gen. Okay. They provide a key gen, which is a activation number. With the help of activation number, you can use the original software. Okay, sir.
So is there any duration also? For example, 1 year for 1 year.
No,
we
sir.
can...
No, sir. I think no duration for it is a lifetime. Once you purchase it is a lifetime.
Okay, sir. Sir, somebody is asking how much it costs.
It's decided by the IBM.
In Indian rupees.
If you go to the website, you can refer. Okay, it may be in dollar value.
Okay.
Okay. Nearly it will be
Sir?
50,000 or 40,000,
Yeah.
surely.
Yeah. Sir, one more doubt. Actually,
Yes, sir.
SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Scientists or
Science.
social science. Yeah, social science.
Yes.
So even though we are using this tool or software in science research, management research, engineering research.
Sir, it is a SPSS stands on, you are saying right one, sir. In SPSS, how you are interpret the variable, that is the main point on here. You can put any variable. Okay, you can put any variable, but I think in your science research, I think it's not suitable for that. I request you to go to qualitative analysis. That is Nivivo. That is a software Nivivo. You can use and mostly the scientific research are done in a laboratory, sir. Mostly scientific research are done in a laboratory. Depend upon with some equipment test, the results are interpreted. For example, in a physics field, we may use Ohm's law, we may use a Vernier scale. So a lot of equipment and devices were used and they take interpretation. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So anybody else?
Thank you,
sir. Is there any? There's one question.
Difference
Sir,
between p-value and the table value. Yes, there a difference is there, sir. P-value indicates significant variables. P-value indicate whether both variables are associated or not associated, whether both variables are related or not related with anything. But table value is it is combined from mean value. It is combined from standard deviation. Please wait, I will show on here. Here the table value. Liverance test. Yeah, please note that. Can you see that the F value is 0.599? Okay, the F value is 0.599, which indicate that 59.9 respondents are showing the original data. 0.599. Actually, it is not a good value. F variables surely will be nearly to the 0.9. Because here I take only 68 variables. Here I take 68 variables. When you are taking a few number of variables, the F value is always be a lower one. Suppose if you take more than 200 or 300 number of samples, you can take on here. If you take more than 300 number of variable, the F variable should be more than 0.9. The F variable is more than 0.9. So 0.9 means 90% of the respondents are say the good response. That is the table value. Are you okay, sir? Are you okay? Any more doubt?
Sir, this student test, you say something about student test or chi-square test, t-test.
Student means
No, there is one no, t-test, chi-square test.
say all the tests are differently depend upon the variables. All the tests are differently depend upon the variables. For example, chi-square, we have to be compare the nominal value, two nominal values or two ordinal values. But you are going with the ANOVA, you have to be take scaling variables. That is the difference. Okay, sir. Here I show the difference on here. For the correlation, suppose you are going to do a correlation. Please note on here. So that is the difference. For one correlation, you need both ordinal value, but another two correlation, you need both scale variables. That is the difference on here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Anybody else, dear participants? Yeah, Professor Nagarajan, sir, if there is no question, it's almost 9 p.m. Shall you stop here?
Yes, sir. We will stop here, sir.
Yeah, with this, we'll stop here. Once again, we'll meet virtually in tomorrow's last session, but not least session. So
Sir,
till then,
shall
take
I
care.
get
Bye-bye.
any oral feedback, sir?
Yeah, anyone, one or two oral feedback from participants. Otherwise, Professor Nagarajan, sir, do one thing. Kindly, what you call, post what you call your poll in
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
So yeah, with this we'll stop here. Once again, we'll meet virtually tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. in
I think anyone,
last
I
session.
think one of the participants are ready to give the feedback.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Yes,
Who is that?
Subhashri, sir.
Where are
Sir,
you from,
kindly
ma'am?
introduce yourself.
Subhashri?
So I'm from Kodaikanal, sir.
You are from
Kodaikanal, sir.
Kodaikanal.
Yes, sir.
Are you a research scholar or a professor?
So I'm a research associate, sir.
Research associate. Very good. Very good. Yes, ma'am. Please tell your feedback.
Sir, today I had a valuable learning experience attending the workshop today, sir.
Okay.
And you were knowledgeable and addressed the doubts with clarity and patience, sir. Thank you so much for that, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the hands-on experience sessions were particularly effective in building confidence to use SPSS independently. So I appreciate the effort putting into making the workshop interactive and informative, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
So
much.
the session was well structured and clearly explained various statistical tests, sir. And the practical demonstration and examples helped me understand how to apply these tests using SPSS, which will be highly useful for my research work, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, and I advise you to learn a lot of things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, participants, we will
Yeah.
meet on tomorrow.
Yeah. Anybody else? Any?
Sir, good evening. Sir,
Good evening.
Good
can you
evening.
share the videos also? No.
Yeah, madam.
Now
We'll
we
share,
feel
madam.
like no, it's everything is okay. But when we in practice, that time we have some doubts. This video will help us to remind
Okay,
us
madam.
again.
Yeah, we'll share. We'll share both the PPT as well as video. Both
Yes,
we'll
sir.
share. Huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, madam. So,
Thank you, sir.
Professor Nagarajan sir, with this, we'll stop here.
Okay,
So
sir.
once again, we'll meet virtually in tomorrow's last session, but not least session. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you, speaker sir. Thank you, participants. Good night, speaker sir. Good night, participants.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night,
Good
sir.
night, sir. Good night, participants. Good night.
Good night. Good night, sir. Good night, participants.